Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: app version and available storage. Make sure at least 500 MB is free. Next, open your project and pick an export preset such as 1080p at 30 FPS and H. 264, because that balances quality and compatibility. Once selected, close background apps and clear the app cache to free RAM, then restart Alight Motion. Now begin a short test export to confirm the pipeline works before running a full, final export. Once the test export runs, optimize the project. Trim unused layers and reduce preview resolution to ease processing. If you have heavy effects or nested compositions, bake them into single media clips or use proxy files. This lowers memory spikes. Then adjust export encoding. Choose a conservative bitrate, 5 to 10 Mbps for 1080p, and enable hardware acceleration if your device supports it. These steps reduce encoding errors and timeouts, so exports complete reliably instead of failing mid-process. Start the final export to local storage and watch device temperature and RAM. Exporting to cloud can introduce network failures, so avoid that during tests. If the export fails, inspect the error message or log, then free RAM, uninstall updates, or reinstall Alight Motion if needed. Alternatively, export in segments and stitch them later to isolate problem sections. Finally, keep a backup project file. If all else fails, reduce complexity and re-export short segments to quickly find and fix the offending element.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.